You how you can download Dragon Balls Sparking Zero in your Android device. So for this you need to open your Google Chrome, open the Chrome app. In the search bar type Dragon Balls Sparking Zero APK free download latest version and hit enter. Now open the first link which says Dragon Ball Sparking Zero APK 2.0 latest version download. Open this link. It will take a few more seconds to verify that you are human. Just wait a few seconds. And now you are on the official website. You can see the blue download now button. And this link is updated July 24, 2025. You can download your Dragon Ball Sparking Zero from here. Simply click this download now button. I hope you found this video helpful. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, do comment down. Thanks for watching and have a nice